Hello everyone. Today we have Sandeep Mabhure, Vice President and Managing Director, VM India and SARC today with us for an exclusive interaction here at CXO TV. Welcome Sandeep.
Thank you very much, Kalpana, for having me here.
So what are the solutions and services in the VM software portfolio? If you can throw some light.
Yeah, surely. So Veeam is the leader in backup solutions that delivers on cloud data management. That's the vision. And I'm quite delighted to share with you as well as all the viewers that as early as this morning, the Gartner Magic Quadrant for 2020 for data protection and recovery got announced, and Veeam is the #1 software company over there, which has been there in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant for 4 consecutive years.
Wow! Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And we are actually top of the chart when it comes to the ability to execute. Over the last 4 years, we have consistently risen up the ranks, and I think we are definitely consolidating our leadership position in the backup and recovery market and delivering on cloud data management. So since you asked about the background of the company, I'm sure people in the infrastructure and cloud data would know that Veeam is the leader in cloud data management. We are more than $1 billion in revenue worldwide, more than 375,000 customers, and our net promoter score stands at 3.5x the industry average for customer satisfaction. So if I talk about the growth of the company, we have grown consistently from the time we were incepted 14 years back, and taking the leadership position in the cloud data management and backup and recovery space. So if I look at the business back in India, we have more than 1,500 plus customers, and we are one of the top theaters or growth engines for Veeam worldwide. So IDC in their second half 2019 tracker for backup and recovery ranked Veeam as the topmost company in terms of its growth. So where we were growing at 20% in terms of revenue worldwide, and in APJ we are growing at 32%, which is 10x as fast as the market. And Veeam India is one of the growth engines for APJ. Okay, so we are the fastest growing region for Veeam at the APJ level, and with a very solid customer base and a very large partner organization. I'm sure you appreciate that Veeam is a 100% channel company. Which means that 100% of our business actually happens through our channel partners, in India and across the globe.
So I'll be asking this about your channel strategy, a little later. And before that, Sandeep, we would like to know how do Veeam's new innovations and product announcements help drive business continuity for customers and partners and aid in addressing complexities associated with data management?
Yeah, surely. So, if you look at even the pre-pandemic or the situation currently on the ground, I think more and more customers are expecting their employees to work from home, and the importance of security and of data protection has never been more. More and more customers today are looking at how do they secure their infrastructure, their data and their applications when their employees are working from home. And at the same time, there is a need to drive growth in the business, because digital transformation key objective for any business today is still driving revenues. So from that standpoint, the relevance of data protection and security and backup is definitely increasing and taking top of mind slot for IT organizations across the globe. And we very recently conducted a survey research across the world, interviewed more than 1,500 plus CIOs and technical decision makers, to find out from them, what are they observing in the data protection and availability space, and how are their priorities shifting, from the availability platform. We had some very interesting findings from there, and I would like to share with you on, what we could find. So, cost, complexity, and capability are the top reasons why many customers would want to ditch their existing availability software and look at the replacement. So how Veeam has aligned with customers priorities today is that we are going beyond backup and availability, and we are helping customers in the cloud data management journey. And what I mean by that is that we just don't stop at backup and recovery, but you go to the next level of availability or cloud mobility. If we look at the environment today, it's just not about data and applications being on-prem. I think customers are adopting hybrid cloud in a very aggressive manner, and I see that post over the next few quarters, the acceleration is only going to increase for cloud adoption. So,
how does Veeam help the customer? I mean, when we talk about the data protection, I'm sorry to interrupt you. So, how does Veeam helps its customers on hybrid clouds with their data protection?
Surely. So, the challenges of protecting workloads and data in a hybrid cloud are different than in the traditional environment. Okay, because data is actually moving from on-prem to a cloud X and then going to a cloud Y, and multi-cloud is the reality today. So you've got to make sure that one, not only do you protect your workloads or applications in a cloud, a hybrid cloud environment, but also deliver on recoverability of these applications, okay, or mobility of these applications. So just to give you a simple example, like I said, customers' priorities are shifting from just backup to cloud mobility. Many customers are looking at rapidly moving some of their applications to the cloud. And if that has to happen and business needs to be really agile, you need technology that Veeam offers, wherein you could, in just few minutes, migrate workloads to any cloud. So any data, any app to any cloud is how Veeam is helping its customers with. Going beyond cloud mobility, Kalpana, so what we are also helping our customers to do is give them visibility of where the data actually resides and how it is getting protected. So, and that is very important when it comes to having a visibility of the entire data landscape, because when you can monitor, you will be able in a position to protect that data. And Veeam's availability platform is able to generate hundreds of reports that gives customer the ability to monitor the data, okay, and analyze the data. And from there on in the cloud data management journey, we help customers in intelligent orchestration of workloads and moving these workloads between cloud. And finally, while we are doing all of this, customers also expect that we should be able to help them in compliance and governance.
How, Sandeep, leveraging the efficient data management capabilities makes it easier for enterprises to comply with the regulations?
Yeah, a very good question, Kalpana. So, so while we are running the business, it is important that we are able to comply with the regulatory requirements as well as internal auditors. What are the auditors and regulators looking at from business? They are looking at confidence that in an event, or in an accidental outage, how capable is your IT in terms of recovering the information, and not just recovering the information, but guaranteeing the recovery of your data and apps in a specified amount of time. How can IT give confidence to the regulators that in spite of various unplanned outages, they are still in a position to service the requirements of their customers? That's what really the regulators are looking at, and this is what we are able to help our customers with. I see that there is an increasing interest from customers to know how Veeam is able to protect them from cyber attacks or ransomware or malware attacks. and particularly how can data be protected over there. So we are doing a good job there also. And regulators are asking today the businesses as to, tell us how is your data safe from ransomware attacks. And we help customers to deliver 100% ransomware proof data backup.
Right. So, Sandeep, what has been the impact of the data protection bill on Indian enterprises?
All right. So I think Indian enterprises are yet to understand or know the full scope of the impact. It's a process, and I think there will be time before we start really adjusting and understanding the scope of the overall impact of data protection bill or even GDPR for that matter. I think what is expected of the business is how strong are your systems and processes. I'm talking about IT particularly, wherein you could guarantee the availability of your data, your applications, and your workload. And while this is definitely an agenda of discussion, I think as we move forward, customers are going to get more clarity on what is expected of them from the IT standpoint.
Right, right. So, what do you think? How are enterprises managing the unplanned downtime due to the lockdown scenario?
All right. So, in the lockdown scenario or even before that, on an average, 1 out of 10 physical machines, okay, or servers suffer from an unplanned outage. Okay, and these are global statistics from the research that we conducted. So, the challenge has always been there as to how do you, secure or protect your workloads from unplanned outages, and the challenge is no different even in the lockdown scenario. So, what customers are really looking at is, the ability to move workloads from an on-prem. So, if a server goes down, for example, do you have really the ability to move the workloads to a cloud so that your business can remain uninterrupted? These are the kind of capabilities that customers are looking at. If you are already running certain applications on the cloud, and for whatever reasons you experience an unplanned outage, is it possible for you to move those workloads to a different cloud? So mobility of applications or the ability to recover applications within a specified time is something that customers are really looking at. And from the data protection standpoint, they're looking at more innovative solutions like Veeam, for a simple reason that we are born in the cloud company. We're just 14 years old, and we have been leaders in the not only in protecting the virtual environment, but we transitioned from there to protect the private cloud, and now we are leaders in the hybrid cloud data management space. So we understand their business and the challenges extremely well. So I can talk about a few customers. A very large bank which has been on traditional backup software, but then when the business asked the IT, okay, that can you recover some of my modern applications in 5 minutes? So obviously the answer with the legacy backup application was no. Okay, and that's when this bank adopted Veeam, and now it could deliver the SLAs that are required by the business, bring up applications in just a few minutes. So I think customers are looking at more modern technologies. What we offer is our capabilities called Sure Backup or Instant Recovery. Okay, which deliver on those capabilities to bring up the applications and workloads in just about few minutes.
So, as you rightly said, that Veeam is a cloud-born company. So, what is the GTM model Veeam software follows for the India market?
Okay, so like I said, 100% of our business happens through channels. So we are a 100% channel friendly company. But in addition to that, I would say that we have a very large ecosystem of partners, not only worldwide, but in India, more than 700 partners in the country. We have strong partnerships with HP, Cisco, Lenovo, NetApp, who are our resellers. And along with the alliance partners, we also have a very strong GTM with cloud service providers and large system integrators.
Okay.
Okay, so the market that we focus on from the vertical standpoint is the BFSI, ITES, manufacturing, healthcare, and pharma is a very strong segment for us, and public sector. So these are the verticals where Veeam has its focus on, and we offer all our services and solutions through the channel.
Right. So, what are the use cases, if you can name some, and you can also tell us some of your marquee customers, if possible.
Yeah. So like I said, the customers actually span across the industry. We have a very strong customer base in the manufacturing, and just a couple of few weeks back, actually we had VeeamON, which is a flagship event of Veeam worldwide, where the keynote address was made by Mr. Vijay Sethi, the CIO of Hero MotoCorp.
Yeah,
okay, and it was on the global platform, global stage, where more than 25,000 registrations were seen, for VeeamON. And I think it was definitely a happy moment for India, because we represented Veeam and to all its customers on the global platform. But then but Hero MotoCorp is one of our top customers. We have similarly a big customer base in the automotive and manufacturing space. In some of the largest insurance companies are our customers, and Future Generali, for example, is a very big customer of ours. And prior to adopting Veeam, their conversations around availability have been hours or days. And what we see them now talk about is just a few minutes. So they are no longer worried about application uptime or availability after shifting from a legacy backup software to Veeam, and they can deliver those kind of availability in or recovery times, which is just about a few minutes. Similarly, in healthcare, we have some of the most marquee and lighthouse customers across the country. Cadila is one of them. And again, we are helping them deliver on not only uptime, but also help in protecting their data against ransomware. So there are different use cases for which customers have been using Veeam. And I can also talk about certain smart cities, Kalpana, where smart cities are actually protecting data on Veeam, and one of the smart city actually moves the data to an AWS cloud. Okay, so what they need from Veeam is the capability to recover directly from cloud to on-prem, and this is what we have been able to help them with. So different use cases for different customers. For healthcare, it is also about complying with the FDA or the regulatory requirements, or even the internal auditors, where they are looking at the application uptime and certain reports to be shared, which talks about how healthy their availability is, and that gives confidence back to the business.
Right. So as you said, manufacturing is the vertical which is witnessing maximum traction from.
Yeah, I'm seeing I'm seeing different, and particularly after last quarter, I'm seeing different businesses are in different cycles or different phases of really adjusting to the situation around them. So healthcare is definitely in forefront, I would say, as far as digital transformation is concerned. We are seeing good traction in the banking and financial services. Hospitality, still trying to kind of recover from what we are in. But banking and financial services, manufacturing, again, getting back into the recovery mode and looking at what can really, transform not only their operational processes, but how they can make their systems more available, as they prepare for the next few quarters. So manufacturing is definitely a strong segment. Public sector is a very strong segment for us.
Absolutely, there are some sectors which have really faced a major setback because of the COVID-19 pandemic. All right, with that, what are the changes in VM's business dynamics after the COVID-19 pandemic impact?
Yeah, so our overall strategy and vision remains unchanged. So we don't think that we need to really kind of change our strategy significantly from what we were doing in the first quarter of this year. And what we are observing is that while I mean, it's not me who is talking about this, but independent analysts say that, well, the economy may not grow as fast as it would have without the pandemic. But essentially, like there is a change in priorities as far as IT is concerned. Okay, so it started with first managing the crisis and how do you keep your lights on in spite of the crisis, helping your employees to work from home, and now it is about how can you really save cost. Okay, how can you drive more revenue growth through your digital transformation initiatives, and while you're doing that, how do you still make sure that your applications are always up and running, your business is always up and running. And that is why we see that while other sectors of IT could have been affected, backup and data protection remains top of mind agenda for most ITs across the segment. So that's because you want to produce, you could experience more cyber threats to your business, and you want to protect your data against cyber attacks. You want to keep the cost low, and customers are looking at sweating their hardware assets more than before. So Veeam has an approach which is completely hardware agnostic, and it is software defined. So wherein we allow the customers to keep their cost very low as compared to a traditional purpose-built backup software or hardware dependent backup solutions that are there in the market. So that is why. And that is why we are seeing, a good traction across the board, in the verticals that I mentioned. So we are seeing more interest coming from customers in trying to find out how Veeam can help them in protecting against ransomware attacks, or how can the data get protected, or where can we save or secure the data in case of a ransomware attack.
Okay, so what are the differentiators for the VM data availability platform over competitors?
Okay, so we are taking backup to a completely different level. Okay, most traditional backup platforms are not able to move beyond backup, and customers' expectations and priorities from the backup software is really changing. What customers are looking at reliability of the backup platform, and Veeam is built on 3 simple tenets. We want to be simple, flexible, reliable. Okay, that's how Veeam cloud data management platform is. Simple because we are able to implement in the fastest possible manner for our customers. Customers are able to unlike the traditional backup software which could take weeks and months to implement. Veeam's implementation in the most complex of environments takes very few days. It's very simple to install, it's very simple to manage, and our support is extremely strong. So simplicity is one of the key tenets for and differentiators for Veeam. Flexibility, because like I mentioned that we are completely hardware agnostic and software defined. So we give the customer the choice of the underneath hardware, which can allow them the flexibility, scalability, as well as keeping their cost down. Okay, so that is the key differentiator. And then finally, I would say reliability. Now, reliability is the single most important reason why most IT would want to switch from their incumbent backup software to a modern software like Veeam. Okay, and it simply works. So we are taking reliability to a completely different level by helping the customers to not only guarantee recoverability of their data, but at the same time helping customers to reuse their data. So if you look at the traditional backup software, they are building huge repositories of information, whether it is in tapes or in hardware, which is lying idle like a non-performing data asset. But when it comes to Veeam, we are able to leverage more value out of the backup data, which could be used for application testing and development. We could help them in mining, with our APIs to certain mining tools. And we are also able to help generate alerts and secure, the environment from threats like ransomware. So data reuse and going beyond the traditional boundaries of backup is the key USP that Veeam offers to its customers. I would also like to mention here, Kalpana, about the Veeam licensing, which is very disruptive and extremely beneficial for its customers, for a simple reason that we do not tie the customer's consumption to capacity. Data is one of the fastest growing elements of the data center, and most traditional companies actually tie the backup software to the capacity of data that it protects. Whereas Veeam Universal License, where we are seeing in Q1 2020, we saw almost 97% growth in revenues, and that's really going very well with our customers base, because customers are seeing how well we are able to port these licenses in the hybrid cloud world. So it is one single license that works for a physical, for a cloud workload, or for a virtual machine. And that's how we are able to help the customers in license portability and protecting their investments for future.
That's nice. Okay, how is Veeam managing the relationship with its ISVs, SI partners, and customers in the current situation?
Everything happens over the video in the current situation, Kalpana. So, and everyone else is also working on the video calls. Our relationship and with our partners as well as Alliance and ISVs it goes back many years. Okay, but we have very strong partnership in India with HP, with Cisco, Lenovo, and NetApp. Our teams are very well interlocked and engaged on several GTMs as well as joint webinars or customer messaging events. And we have a dedicated ISV team, we have a dedicated channel organization, and we have a dedicated alliance organization that interfaces with all of them, so that we are able to jointly take the availability message to our customers.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. That was the last question, and thank you so much for taking up time and joining us today.
Thank you very much, Kalpana. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I appreciate this opportunity to share more about Veeam and cloud data management and how we are really disrupting the marketplace and helping our customers. So thank you for the opportunity. You